Guys here working on my garage. No country music here, man. Telling you.
No?
Gotta be metal or else you're out of here.
Oh, I was trying to keep it neutral for you guys. That works for me. I got a whole 80s playlist.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to replace this board all the way down.
All right.
I'm going to run the lows here in a minute, grab it because it has to be pressure treated.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's solid, but it's not. It's like I'm already in the middle of it. I already got it jacked up, so I might as well just replace this whole thing.
Okay.
Ain't going to be no price change or anything like that.
Oh, that's fucking awesome, man.
Yeah. Yeah, so...
Yeah, because
all I had to do is jack it up. It's like once it gets jacked up, it's like everything floats.
Oh, okay.
So it's not going to be that much.
Oh, excellent. Excellent. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just noticed that this whole end, because of that corner drain,
Yeah.
it just shot.
Yeah, we're probably going to pop this barn board off and throw a new corner in there for you, too.
Nice,
Just because
man.
that one looks a little soft. I can't really get to it, but it looks soft down there. So.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep, that's my plan.
Awesome.
So if you see me take off, I'm just going to run the lowest real quick.
Yeah, you do whatever you need to do, Chris. I'm,
Yeah, I just didn't want you to go drive left. I went to look at a job last night for here in Brooklyn for a new one to come. He said the guy came in, he got part of his bathroom. He has 3 bathrooms, so luckily he has 3. And the guy called him. His bathroom never showed back up. I'm like, did you pay? He's like, no. He's like, all my materials I paid for are on job, and he started it. He put the glass doors in like he was supposed to, and he's gone. I was like, well, I gotta have a bathroom.
and his wife must have booted him out. He never wanted to get back home.
I asked him who the contractor was just so I could like let everybody else know or whatever, and I see him. He's like, I got a business card. It's not important.
Yeah. Jeez. Shit happens, man. You never know.
Yeah.
I might have to get out here and do that this afternoon. Boy, it's beautiful.
Came for a bike ride.
Oh, I think I'm going later on.
You ever gone to the Patchogue, the forest?
I have been
Yep.
with my buddy. I used to go riding with a friend of mine from my last job.
Yep.
And he lived in Danielson, Killingly,
Okay.
out on Cook Hill Road.
Yep.
And he had the car, so he could get us anywhere.
Oh, that was cool. Yeah.
We've been to the Coventry Bike Path, the Providence Bike Path on the other side it goes from Providence to Barrington
Yep.
on that side. Airline Trail.
Yeah, well, they got that one in Moose up, the Greenway Path. You ever do that one?
Yes.
The old railroad
Yes.
that goes all the way out to Rhode Island.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool.
That's the end of the railway.
The
You go
railroad,
on,
yeah, because it's all paved in the Rhode Island side.
Right,
Not
and that's
Moose
the part of the Coventry Bike Path.
Okay, yep.
Because it's all went from Connecticut, just before you get into Rhode Island, it's all these.
Yeah,
For
'cause,
about a
I live
half
right
a
in Moose
mile.
Up. Yeah, I live right in Moose Up. I got a plated dirt bike, so I go to the state forest and
Oh.
all that. And my sons both have motorcycles
Yep.
too, so we go out through the.
And you get in there through the end of Moosup.
Yeah,
Right
right by
where
the
the
Dunkin'
Dunkin'
Donuts.
Donuts
Yep,
place
yep,
is.
yep, yeah, we cross those paths. I don't usually do the walk. Anything that's tar, I try staying off of just.
Oh, okay.
Piss people off. Because it is a dirt bike. They look at you weird.
Yeah,
But I'm plated, so I can take the road. When I'm with the boys, it's like, just stay slow. You see anybody, shut the bike off, let them go by. And
Exactly.
do it polite, you know? It's like, it's the boys.
So you've been out to the Coventry Bike Path. Do you see that big rock in the middle of the rail?
I
Going out?
usually go up to Carbuncle. That's still dirt down that way. It's
Okay.
still like, it's right over the Sterling line. into
Oh,
the
all right.
Yeah. I've
This
never actually done the asphalt. I don't go way past that.
This is just before you get to the tar.
Okay,
in
yep.
Coventry.
Yep,
They've got, it's about this wide, and they've got 4 of them
yep.
that come, it's a bridge, and it's probably maybe 10 feet wide. And there's a big, huge frickin' boulder right in the middle of it at the end of the bridge.
Yeah.
It's holding up the whole thing. And to get around it, you gotta kinda, you know, oh yeah, you don't want, because the boulder's right in the middle, and then
Yeah.
you can't get on your bike and just run across it. You gotta walk your bike across and then hold on to the boulder.
Huh.
Yeah, it's all strange places. But I can't ride there anymore because I don't have a car to get there,
Yeah.
which I would, because my bike won't do more than 20 miles.
Yeah. Yeah, me and the girlfriend and wife were actually looking at it. She's a little heavier, so she was trying to find a bigger
Yeah.
bike for herself. And I looked at the Chevron one. Those are pretty sweet.
can't walk very good, but I can ride a bicycle all
Yeah.
right. Thanks, mail lady. Oh. Oh, who?
I'll see you next week. I'm on vacation.
Oh, all right.
Okay?
Jesus. So my $50 has gone real far this year.
I'll go and see my mom.
Where's she at?
Myrtle Beach.
Oh, we just went down to see our kid in North Carolina, Wilmington.
Nice.
And she just bought a townhouse.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, man. Not expensive, no.
Wow.
Maybe 3 months old.
Geez, your $50 went a long way.
Stop and say hi.
Was it Erin?
Yeah.
Erin,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's Erin.
Yeah, she likes it down there?
She's staying down there. She kind of likes it. She likes the busyness of it. She's always wanted to be towards the city kind of girl.
Yeah.
And her boyfriend yanked her down there and then dumped her. And
Oh, that's nice.
so she's doing all right by herself.
Yeah.
Instead of paying $1,600 for an apartment for a year now, she's I paid $1,900 for a new home.
Yeah, new home, yeah.
3
Absolutely.
bathrooms, 3 bedrooms.
Jeez.
I know.
Okay, all by yourself?
She's on the brain.
Wow, that's not bad at all. It is a lot of money, but if you look at the prices nowadays, you know, I mean, when I bought my house, it was 109, and then when my daughter bought her house, it was 225, and now my son's looking for a house, and it was $300,000. Oh my God. He's like, if I buy something for 250, he's like, it's a piece of crap.
Yeah, you gotta work on it.
Yeah.
So you can do it.
Yeah.
New places are going up big
Yeah.
time. There's a lot of things in Brooklyn, even in Brooklyn. You've seen the signs. Signs on places one week and then they're gone the next week because they're sold.
In Day Street is terrible. All those houses on Day Street.
Oh, is that right?
Have you been down Day Street?
No, not in a while. I've been up it towards Johnny's house
Yeah.
and up and finished the distance, but the funny lane and that kind
Oh,
of
no,
place.
no. When you're going down the hill, the house is on the side where it used to be woods.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. 10 houses down there. I don't know where the corner is, where that's all gone.
Right.
That's what I deliver. It's like, stop going. And they put the condos up by the school. Yeah, that's mine too.
That's on the free.
Oh, I know. Yeah, hopefully they, application. Figure out the application and make sure to do a background check
I
on
think
it.
you could see him if they got binoculars sitting at the window coming out. See you later,
See
kiddo.
you, bye.
Have a nice vacation. I will. I don't know about him. I do it.